Here's how to restore a WhatsApp backup. Now, if you previously backed up your WhatsApp app and you needed to restore that, including all the messages, the contacts, all of that stuff, I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up WhatsApp here and I'll walk you through the steps first to back it up to make sure that you have everything saved. So let's tap on settings at the bottom right, and then we'll tap on chats. Now you can see midway down here is chat backup. Let's tap on it and you can see at the very top, last backup. If this wasn't recent, you can just hit backup now and it will back up your entire conversation, all of your history, all the photos, videos, all of that stuff. Now that you've done that, after this finishes, the way that you can restore everything is basically you need to log out, aka delete your WhatsApp app. So what we're gonna do is hop out of here and we'll tap and hold on WhatsApp, tap on remove app, and then delete the app, and then delete. So now I've fully deleted it from my phone. I need to download it again, and then I can restore all of those messages. So let's head into the App Store. We'll hit search at the bottom right, and we'll search for WhatsApp. Now, here it is. I'm just going to hit this download. It might use my Face ID to install it. Didn't ask for it that time. But basically, once this is done, we will open it up and it says agree and continue. I need to enter in my phone number here that you used for the backup and hit done. Now, the cool thing is it will receive the credentials, and now finally is where we can restore everything from that backup. So you can see date today at 11:08, the one we just did, total size 124 megabytes. And then all I have to do is hit restore at the top right, and it will bring in all of that information in and restore everything to my WhatsApp. So you can see all the messages, all the information, 1,885 messages were all restored. All I have to do is hit next. And let's just add my name here. And done. And then you can see it's as if I never left. Everything is the exact same as before because I just backed it up. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.